Hi and welcome to another video. Will be a bonus video from the Shopify app challenge that I use to be able to build a Shopify app using only AI tool. And as you can tell in the Shopify app challenge, I was not using only AI and I was also using some manual coding to be able to make the application working. So in this video, I will show you an update of where the Shopify is currently at, and I will show you all the update that has been done since the video has been got a lot of interest. And thank you so much for the support for this video. And I will show you right now the application that is currently getting some attention, and I will show you also the Shopify application over the Shopify App Store. So currently we have 2 5-star rating and we are getting some attention from the Shopify. So honored to be able to use the application, which is great. And I will show you also the application itself. So this is the application itself. So it's currently been approved in terms of UI and UX. And also it was not only using AI, so I was a lot of using some manual code and doing a lot of stuff myself. It was not only done by AI. So I just would like to mention that. So this is currently the homepage. So I just add this waitlist intelligence so you can know which waitlists are likely to convert and churn based on all the metrics that we have. And here we have all the waitlists. So we can go to the waitlist. Let's go to one of the waitlists. And here you will see a preview of the email. You will see a timeline from the people that got signed up to the email has been sent and when the customer opened the email. Here you can import all the products. In the background we'll be using an AWS Lambda function to be able to import the products in the background. Also you can add individual one and you can enable waitlist for them. Here we have the emails, so you can check out all the email. You can preview them as you can see right now. We have the email template that has been gotten a lot of changes. So we have adding some AI, so you can go to the create new email and you can either have some predefined template from here, or you can go to the AI and you can generate one with AI. So here you can just have the prompt. I will just be using some quick one. And the AI template has been generated. You can modify it. So let's go to this one. And you can also translate it to other language as you like. For example, let's do French. It will be translating right now. So it's currently, this is the French version of the same template. And here we have the campaign, which is a new concept. So in the campaign, you can have some steps. For example, email to the high priority one first, wait for 5 minutes, email to the medium one, wait for 10 minutes, and email to the low priority one. Also, we have a campaign of type for pre-order. So for example, generate a pre-order email and send them if the waitlist is on the high priority segment. We have here analytics and report, so you can see all the products are doing well, the performance of the email, which email template is having a good open rate, click rate, also conversion by priority. Also you have some tips here. Here also you have some insight. Also you can download the PDF format for the report. It's based, let's do this one. As you can see here, this is the report in a PDF format. Here we have the settings, which you can enable everything for the application. You can have settings for the email. You can have a custom sender. Also, you can get some weekly report. You can have confirmation email. Also, out of stock. So auto enable all the products when they are out of stock. So we'll be listening for the app updates, and when the product is out of stock, will automatically show the waitlist and mark it to be able to make it enable for waitlist. So you don't have to import the products. We'll be listening for all the products when they are going out of stock. We'll be enabling the waitlist on them. Also, you can have location if you would like for us to listen to all location or a specific location. For example, we have integration. This one just been recent, so you can add the customer segment as a part of the rules. We have integration currently with Klaviyo, so you can collect Klaviyo to be able to sync the waitlist with the Klaviyo list. Same for MailChimp. Also, we have LoyaltyLion, which is a loyalty program that you can also connect to be able to use them as a rule. Also, we have Zapier, so you can connect Zapier and automatically trigger some flow from the application to Zapier. Also, we have SMS integration, or you can send email. You can send email and SMS right now using Waitwise, depending if you would like to collect also phone number and not only emails. And here we have the pre-order if you would like to enable it, so you can see all the metrics for the pre-order, which is linked to the waitlist. So when someone join the waitlist and they are on the high priority one, they can receive an email with a checkout link where they can pre-order the product before everyone else. Here also we have inventory production, so you can predict how many units you need to restock and at which time. So I will be using the demo mode, so you can just see all the metrics here. So demand with AI recommendation, the waitlist demand, and here we have some AI insight, which is, for example, this product have 22 customer in the waitlist, 3 days to stock out, 22 units price, and also you need to restock with 20 minutes. This is just some demo data. It's not actual real data, just to see how the actual data will look like in real life. And this is, we are using the inventory history from Shopify and the waitlist record from our side to be able to predict all of that. And here one of the a fun page, which is the waitlist map, so you can see all the waitlist entry in a map view. For example, you will see all the waitlist entry in a map view, nothing else to say about it. Also, we have the billing, so we have 2 plans right now, the light and the professional one, and also you can buy credit for the SMS. And one of the things that has been approved also, which is the rule. So currently, as you can see right now, we have the LoyaltyLion integration, and you can set up as a rule if it's enabled. Also, you can have Klaviyo list segment, MailChimp list also as part of that. Also, we just recently, yesterday, we deploy a new update to have the Shopify customer segment. So from the customer segment that you have right now here, this one that has been created by Shopify, or you created them yourself, so you can add them here, and we can have them as a rule in the priority level that you can set. So this was an update about the application, and I will show you currently how many merchants is using the application. Not too many, but I didn't do a lot of marketing for the application as much as development for the application in terms of feature. So currently we are already having 90 merchants using the application, and I spent some of the marketing budget over the Shopify App Store ads. So I get some of this merchant has been acquired from the Shopify App Store ads. So I'm not the best one for Shopify App Store ads, but this is how far the application is doing. And you can right now test it yourself, so you can install the application and test it yourself. Also, one of the things that I am working on, this is the widget. So currently, because of the Shopify theme customizer is limited in terms of how many settings that I can have in them, so which is the 25 blocks of settings that I can have, and decide to move the widget settings to a page where I can have more freedom to add many settings. For example, I have auto translation, so you can auto translate to a lot of language. For example, you can see in the French, Spanish, and here you can customize all the styling for the widget. Also, we have the social proof, so you can see how many people are joining the waitlist. Let me know in the comment section what do you think about the application and what we should do next in terms of the marketing side, the business side, and also the development side. Which feature you would love to see in the application and what do you think about it, and just let me know in the comment section. I will be more than happy to read all your comments over this video about this application, and let me know what we should do next over this channel. And thank you so much for watching.